But what we give back to the Constitution? This is not just a celebration, this is a moment of reflection. This is the story of sacrifice, law, conscience and our collective responsibility.
I am the freedom fighter. We faced bullets so that you could live free. We went to jail so that you could walk without chains. We didn't only fought British, we fought injustice, silence and fear. We dreamed of a nation where every citizen could live with dignity. Now tell me, has that dream been fulfilled?
This Constitution guarantees justice, liberty, equality and dignity. It protects the weak, it questions power, it brings responsibility. But remember, a constitution is only as strong as the conscience of its people.
I studied my constitution. Article 14, equality before law. Article 21, the right to life, the dignity. But I
Lost.
But I
I'm the
I stand at border. I stand. I'm the army man. I stand at border. I face bullet, cold night, and even death, so that my country sleeps peacefully. But tell me, is this what I die for? I don't give my life at border, so that my sister is unsafe at home. I don't fight enemy outside, to lose my nation from within. A weak society creates a weak nation.
I understand. The people of India blame system and law. We wait for a change to come from somewhere else. But today I realize we are the republic. If we stay silent, then we become a part of injustice.
When we fought for freedom, we believed that the next generation would fight for right and values. Freedom were never meant to be lawlessness, rights were never meant to be silent duties. We dreamed of a nation that had not been fulfilled. This is not the India we dreamed of.
I gave you rights, I gave you freedom, but I also gave you responsibilities. Respect women, protect dignity, and speak against injustice. I do not collapse in riots, I collapse in silence. I collapse only when you choose comfort over courage.
Political democracy can't survive without social moralities. No law can protect a nation where minds remain unjust.
This is my republic too. I will not be silent. I will demand dignity.
We will protect this nation, not just with weapons, but with character and courage.
The India is not only defended at its border, it defended at its home, its street and its mind.
The Constitution does not ask for celebration alone. It asks for courage. Courage to speak when injustice is normalized. Courage to act when silence feels easy. Courage to protect dignity. Every day, everywhere. On this Republic Day, let us remember, freedom fighters gave us independence, the Constitution gave us direction, but the future depends on our choice.
Don't forget the values we bled for.
To strengthen democracy with social moralities.
Write about voice.
Defend nation with character.
Be the republic you wish to see.
Dignity, responsibility, and Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.